Namaskar friends, myself Dinesh Babu Tripathi. In the video of English shorthand, I will explain about you about advanced phraseography. Some requirement has come from the public side to elaborate about advanced phraseography. Advanced phraseography is based on the shortcut outlines and all these things. So I will not waste much time on the in speaking. I just going to tell you about the advanced phraseography. This is the chapter advanced phraseography. The words are as a rule. I am going to write एज छोटा सा सर्किल बनाएंगे आर अपवर्ड रूल एज रूल ए इज साइलेंट एज ए रूल एज एट ए लॉस फर्स्ट पोजीशन वॉवेल है एट loss. This is on the line. A is silent at a loss. In few days. This is in a few days. In a few days. A is silent. In a great measure. In great measure. In great having principle is there. Great in a silent हो गया. In a great having principle is there. Great gr half t silent t हो गया. Measure. So this is phraseogram. Great in a great measure. Next is in such a manner as. In such a is silent manner as. In such a manner as for a moment. For half n circle. For a silent है. For a moment MENT having principle. यम को हाफ कर दिया जाएगा तो टी की साउंड आ जाती है मोमेंट. टू ए ग्रेट मोमेंट. टू ए ग्रेट मोमेंट. टू ग्रामोला. टू ग्रेट having principle. To a great extent having principle. To a great extent. Above the matter. About the matter. About be half. About the matter. M doubling principle matter. जब डबल कर दिया जाता है तो टी आर की साउंड आ जाती है, मैटर। ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, दिस इज ग्रामोलॉग, ऑल ओवर, दी इज साइलेंट, डब्ल्यू वर्ल्ड, all over the world, all the circumstances, all the silent circumstances, this is large circle, circumstances at the present day, at present day, at present time, at present time, I will consider the matter, I will consider the matter, the silent consider, consider con becomes silent, I will consider in the first instant, in the, this is first instance, in the first place, this is first place, in the second place, in the second place, in the in the third place, in the third place. This is not a shorthand notebook, you have to practice this in shorthand notebook only. In the last place, in the last place, in the next place, in the next place, into the matter, doubling principle, notwithstanding the fact, notwithstanding, not cutting the line, this half ka, notwithstanding the fact. So these are the grammar explained by me. You may practice at your own in your easy time again and again, near about 3-4 times, so you can commit this to memory, you can remember these outlines for easy writing in shorthand. So this is the end. Thank you very much.